What's up? It's always me, Johnny, and welcome to my new video. So, have you already seen the title? So, I'm gonna unbox the newest iPhone 16 Pro Max. And also, you can see it already by the box, so you can recognize this little arrow right here. So, let's open it up and let's see how it is. And here is the phone, actually. And before opening it up, I want to say that this unboxing is a little bit late if you already watched one on YouTube, because Apple made me do the order on the 20th of September, but it was on Friday, and here where I live, they don't ship anything after Friday, so I have to wait until right now, that is Monday. So before I received my iPhone, and I was one of the first, I think, to order one. I don't actually agree with this choice of Apple to release a phone on Friday, but anyway, that's long story short why I did receive my iPhone right now, and it's a little bit late, as I said before. Anyway, the box is pretty much the same one as the 14 Pro Max, because if I'm not wrong, the 15 Pro Max was black and not white, but this is white again, so with the new wallpaper and everything. It's natural titanium, so we're gonna see it right now how it is. And here is the phone, pretty much from the video. I think it's the same one as if you watch a 15 Pro Max unboxing. It is still natural titanium, pretty much the same form factor. It is a little bit bigger, but you cannot see it from the video. I will just compare it right now to my 14 Pro Max. That's one side, and that's the other side with the camera control button right here. And yes, it is a physical button, because someone says that it was like touch or something, or with the haptic, but it is a physical button, so it is confirmed. Anyway, so we're gonna leave it right here for a second. This is the cable, so USB-C to USB-C. It is braided, and it is just positioned in a different way this year. It's not like rounded on the bottom of the box, but it is like this. SIM ejector tool, and pretty much nothing else, because there is no more sticker, if I'm not wrong. So there is some papers right here, like useless paper like always, and nothing more. No stickers, no anything. So pretty much this is the whole box. So here's the phone. As I told in my last video of the last year of 15 Pro Max, it is a very good feeling phone. So it feels a little bit more heavy and like sturdy in my hands. So the 15 Pro Max was a little bit lighter, and it feels like a little bit cheaper. This one, it's a little bit heavier in my opinion. I don't know the statistic, the precise statistic, but seems like a little bit heavy. Anyway, this is my 14 Pro Max, and side by side you can see that it is a little bit bigger. So these are the phones side by side. You can see there is like maybe 2 millimeters of difference between one and the other. And actually the weight is not that much lower on the 16 Pro Max. And I think it's a little bit, yeah, I think it's a little bit wider too. So it's like half of a millimeter wider, but it is wider, I can assure you that. Anyway, I'm gonna set up this new iPhone. It's gonna take a while, as you know. But anyway, I wanted to talk about something that you can see right here in my camera. So it's a MagSafe card holder, and you can see it. I have my card right here, and inside you have 2 more slots for 2 more cards. I have my documents inside, and right here you can see the MagSafe. So as you can see it, it is MagSafe, very, very strong actually. You can just use it and open it like this. Very, very useful. You can put your phone maybe like this in portrait, or maybe it's very, very strong actually, I can tell you, or maybe like this. Very, very useful, or just like this if you want to watch something. This is from tvcmall, so I can link you everything down below if you want to check it out. It's not that expensive. You can see right here, it's from ESR, so very good quality in my opinion. There are also other color to choose from, so check out the website down below. I can recommend this card holder, very cool, and also I repeat, it's a very strong magnet. Just trust me, really. Anyway, I will continue my iPhone setup offline, and then I will show you some other videos about this new iPhone 16 Pro Max. So stay tuned on my channel and subscribe down below if you want to see more videos about this. As always, if you did like this video, just hit the like button down below. And as I said before, just stay updated by subscribing to my channel. Anyway, thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.